So what I also may want to do is add in closed captions onto the projects. So if I were to press the play button right here, eat foods which are delicious and healthy. It says eat foods which are delicious and healthy. So let's say what I want to do is I want to add in closed caption from 1.5 right here to, let's say, for example, 6.5. So to do that, I can simply go to insert and then go to closed caption. And one caption is auto-generated. But I can also go ahead and add in a custom track right here. I can type in manually or upload a file. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and manually type it. I can go ahead and select English, let's say, for example, and I'm going to say English right here as well. So now I want the caption from 1.4. So let's just go ahead and press plus button right here. So I'm going to say eat foods which are delicious and healthy. So this is what it says. So now I want the caption from 1.4 right here till, let's say, for example, 6.5. So let's just go ahead and say 6.5 right here, just like this. So I can go ahead and add a cue below over here, just like this as well. And there's another audio over here as well. So let's just go ahead and play this out. Choose from a variety of options every day. Choose from a variety of options every day. So this is from 9.1. So let's just go around over here and say 9.1, and this is going to be till, let's say, 13.6. So this is going to be 13.6 right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and say choose from variety of options every day right here, just like this. And I can go ahead and create a new track right here, just like this. And there you go, English is there. So now what I can simply do is preview this out. And to preview out the caption, you need to click on the play button, and then the video goes full screen right here. Eat foods which are, but you don't see it right here. So you need to enable closed captions, and then you can see the closed caption right here, which are delicious and healthy. Choose from a variety. So this is actually the auto-generated caption. But if I were to go around over here onto subtitle, this is auto-generated. You can go for English right here, and then this is what you have. So this is the one that you made, which are delicious and healthy. So you can see that I made it appear in same go. So now what happens is that this is manual, so it appears on same go. Eat foods which are delicious and healthy. And you can see it is dynamic. You can go ahead and turn it off if you want as well. So if I were to close it, that is what you have. You can also go ahead and view the auto-generated caption right here, and this is what you have. And you can go ahead and make the changes as you want as well. For example, here you can see it's every day, but if I want to go ahead and change it, then you can go ahead and duplicate out this track right here, just like this, and then you can go ahead and make changes to it as you want right here, just like this. We cannot directly make changes to the auto-generated, but you can see that this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and then manually go ahead and add in captions as you need inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.